Don't make the mistake of running after the person who left you, because the person who left you didn't leave so that you would chase after them. They left you to see how much self-respect you carry within yourself. The world of love is quite strange. Here, people love less and test you more. They weigh your heart. They want to see whether you will shatter without them or stand firm. Remember, no one in this world likes broken people. People buy broken houses, they even buy broken utensils, but they're afraid of broken human beings because a broken person becomes a burden. And the one who left you is also waiting to see what you do. Deep inside, they want to know whether you got destroyed or blossomed after they left. This very moment is decisive. If you keep crying after their departure, staying awake at night, circling their doorstep, sending messages and asking people about them, then you have made yourself cheap. A cheap person holds no value. The sun never goes to anyone's door asking to be accepted, yet the entire earth waits for it. A flower never asks anyone to recognize its fragrance, yet the bees come on their own. A river never extends an invitation, yet people are drawn toward it. It is the law of life. Whoever becomes complete within themselves, the world starts moving toward them, and whoever is empty inside runs after the world. If you want the person who left you to long for you, then stop running after them. This is not a trick. This is not a strategy. This is the science of the soul. A person longs for what they have lost and what remains happy even without them. You must have seen a small child throw away a toy and then start crying upon seeing that same toy in another child's hands. They didn't want the toy. They just couldn't tolerate that the toy was still valuable without them. The mind works the exact same way. The one who left you will also remember you suddenly one day, while walking down a street, listening to a song, on a rainy night or a lonely afternoon. Your memory will rise within them. And at that moment, they won't think about how much you loved them. They'll think about what you did after they left. If they find out that you are still crying, their memory of you will fade in a second. But if they learn that you are smiling, moving forward in your life, there's a glow on your face, a new peace in your eyes, and your personality has become deeper than before, then a thorn will sting inside them. They'll ask, "How did this happen? I left, so why didn't this person break down?" That is where longing is born. Longing isn't born out of love, it is born from the feeling of loss. You make one mistake in life repeatedly. Someone leaves you, and you think, "How do I bring them back?" I say this question is itself wrong. The question should be, "How do I bring myself back?" Because when someone leaves you, they don't leave alone. They take away your self-confidence, your smile, and your trust along with them, and you become a stranger in your own home. You stand in front of the mirror, but you can't recognize who it is. You eat, but there's no taste. You sit among people, but you're lonely inside. This isn't love. This is losing yourself. And anyone who loses themselves cannot be happy even if they get someone else. I tell you, thank the person who left you. Yes, thank them, because they gave you the opportunity to discover where your roots lie. If one person leaving completely shook you, it means you had made someone else the center of your life. That's very dangerous. The center of your life should belong only to you. Love with all your heart, but don't lose your center. Walk with someone, but don't pledge your soul. Love someone, but don't hand over the key to your happiness to them. The day you learn this art, a magnetic attraction will be born within you.